What's up guys, and welcome back to another video. My name is Torin, and today we're going to be going over STRONGBLOCK again, a little update video on STRONGBLOCK, as this is my third month I've completed now with a few nodes. So today we're going to be going over how lucrative it's been, what kind of profit it's made me, what kind of returns it's made me. I'm going to go over all the recent announcements, what they've been up to lately, what's going to continue to drive that price up. So we will cover that, and at the end of the video I'm actually going to be creating another node and walking you guys through how to do so. So if you're interested in that, make sure you hit that like button to subscribe to the channel, because I'm coming out with a ton of these videos, a lot of opportunities for you. Make sure you hit that notification bell because they are time sensitive. And even a step further, I do have a private Discord chat. There's about 1,000 of us where we talk about everything crypto, all from pre-sales even to nodes. So if you're interested in that, there's a link down below. But without further ado, let's dive into my computer and focus on this STRONGBLOCK update. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do here is just land on CoinMarketCap to sort of get an idea where we're currently sitting as I'm filming this video. So we're at 572 US dollars, up about 11-12% in the last 24 hours. Now this is down substantially from its all-time high, which we've seen during my videos here while I've been included strong as an investment, but we are going to take a look at where we're currently at. So if we scroll down looking at the year to date, we did get involved approximately end of August, so just after that first initial dip, we did see an all-time high of approximately $1,200, dipping back down around this $500 mark. So we do see this reversal in the last couple of days, and hopefully it is coming out of that dip and taking off to the other side. Now it is on the Ethereum network for all of you guys who haven't yet decided to bite the bullet and buy yourself a node. So you can check it out on the Etherscan by copying this address, and you can add it to your MetaMask here. Now, as always, guys, this is not financial advice. It's merely just speculation, entertainment purpose. I myself am going through it. I could get absolutely wrecked and I could be completely wrong. So please go out and do your own research, your own due diligence before just blindly aping in. So the website is strongblock.io, and we can head there right now. Easily create blockchain nodes and earn rewards. So like my other videos, it is node as a service, but currently we're now at 164,000 nodes, which is absolutely ridiculous. And so there is an army of node holders. We can also see that they've sold out of their NFTs, which has become quite the hot topic lately, and this will also help your earning potential. Some of these huge updates we're going to get into is their partners, whether it's Phantom or Polygon. They are coming out with both nodes, and they're working on both of those as we speak. Now the leadership team is stacked, they're fully doxed and very, very active on all of the platforms. They have created just recently a Discord chat, so I do suggest you guys dive into that. Join it if you are interested. You can get involved in the AMAs with some of the moderators, as well as the CEO, CTO, and the CPO. All right, so some of these recent announcements which will affect the price here would be this node partnership with Phantom, which came out in September, the node partnership with Polygon and Sentinel. Now, they also have a full announcement page, and some of the most recent ones has been the NFT lottery to auction off some of the last remaining NFTs in the space. So they've actually gone ahead and gotten a audit done by Hacken, which is completed. They're addressing the CertiK audit and will be sending their updates to them shortly. And the service to smart contract is complete and is now being audited. So given audit timing, it's likely that Service 2 will launch as a pilot with Polygon before ETH 2. So they're also testing Polygon nodes as well as the Service 2 smart contract that supports them. So they're planning to launch them in a pilot during the week of November 29th, 2021. So as we are speaking right now, they also reopened their STRONGBLOCK store and some more information on their lottery here. Now, if you create your node now, you can enter the app, and as we can see here, we are now inside my application, my STRONGBLOCK nodes. Currently, I have 3 of them, and the dates they were created and the current rewards that I am able to claim. Now, we're all going to claim this and create a new one in the end of the video, but I do want to go over shortly how much they've actually profited me and how we've gone about it over the last 3 months. So I created the first one on August 27th and then the second one not long after. Waited for both of those to create 10 strong themselves before spending that first reward on a third node. So they paid themselves back at this time, but instead I decided to purchase a third node instead of taking profit. And now it has shortened the time because there is 3 of them. And now I'm about to claim 10 strong node rewards again here. So I have opened a little sheet here in Excel that we can go over to understand this a little bit better. All right, so you might have seen this first part in some of my other videos, but I briefly just jotted down some of the prices of Strong in the months previous and at what price it would have cost you to create a node. So if you were early in July and created a node, it would have only cost you about $2,400. And the reward, of course, they have all stayed the same, but this ROI monthly at 30% is still insane. But the price fluctuation creates so many different moving parts. I've created sort of a low value and a high value so we can sort of average it out here. So August, September, October, and November, we saw the all-time high in October here, and it was almost $10,000 to create a node. But as we are sitting with the strong price today, it is just under $6,000 to create that node. Also pulled up the Etherscan here, which is important to note that there's now 16,000 holders of the token. Of course, it's on the Etherscan here. So incredible to see the strong node army with 16,000 holders. All right, so to break this down and be able to consume these numbers a bit easier, I have made another chart here. So these are the 3 of my nodes when they were created and how many days they've been active. So in days active here, we have 95 for the first one, we have 90 and 36. So with the rewards of 0.1 strong per day, we times those by the days active and we get these rewards. So currently, as of today, we have 22.1 strong rewards. So there has been a low value and a high value to this because we've seen over the last couple months, this is a longer term hold for me. I'm very bullish on the company, the whole project, where they're going with it. So this is a longer term hold for me. So again, I would try to time this a bit more properly when I would try to take rewards. So as we can see, if the market is a bit down, instead I'm going to create another node. And if the market is up, where we're sitting at about $1,000 per strong token, then I would think about potentially taking profit here. So the low value, I have times it by approximately $500 as the low value for the strong token, and the high value at the all-time high of $1,200. So as we can see here, these strong rewards in the last 3 months have yielded me approximately, let's say, $20,000 if I had timed it properly. But as I mentioned earlier in the video, I had used the first 2 nodes, the 10 rewards from the first 2 to create the third, and now we are in the rewards again there to create a fourth. So I am going to be creating a fourth today, and this is what my earning potential is going to look like moving forward. So if they all still give out 0.1 strong tokens per day, they'll each approximately spit out 3 monthly, so 12 total, anywhere between 6 and 14K US. Now again, if the price fluctuates over the next month, these could change, but hopefully this gives you guys a good idea on where we're at. Now before we jump into minting the fourth one, if you guys want to follow them on their socials, again, Twitter and Discord is a great place to ask some questions, start learning where they're going, what they're up to, and they always give you a heads up on where you should be looking towards in the future here. All right, so we are on the Ethereum blockchain, so you're going to make sure you are connected to your MetaMask and that you do have some Ethereum in your MetaMask to pay for some of these gas fees. So I'm going to click claim on here and I'm going to claim into my wallet. So we'll pull up MetaMask here and it's going to cost you some gas fees to try to pull that through. So we have now claimed our strong rewards for all of the nodes. Going to make sure it's in our MetaMask. And now I do have the 10 strong nodes inside the MetaMask at approximately $6,000 US. So with that being said, it's not reaching its all-time high, and I said I wanted to create a fourth node. So now, as you guys can see, these have now reset, and my node rewards are reset as well, and I'm going to now create the fourth. After you have named the node and the description, you have to agree to the monthly maintenance fee of approximately 15 US. And as you guys can see here, this is how it is broken down. A lot of people think it's a Ponzi scheme because 60% is going into the node rewards pool. But again, many other financial institutions work this way. So please go out and do some research and educate yourself on some of these new DeFi systems. So we are going to submit this and create a new node. And now just like that, the node has been created. You're going to allow up to 30 minutes for it to appear. And we're now ready to earn our rewards. All right, guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video of how my strong rewards have been doing, how the nodes have been working, how profitable it's been. If you have, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel because I'll be coming out with a ton more updates on this. So until next time, guys, take care.